Spark in itself, it's fast. It's used, a lot of people use it right now. It's known for its speed, its ease of use, generality, and it runs on everywhere. As you can tell here from the image itself, it's almost about 100 times faster than Hadoop. So this is just a general image on the ecosystem of Apache Spark and all of its contents inside of it as far as capabilities and what it actually will run. So you've got Spark SQL and data frames on it, so you can actually run normal SQL queries inside of Spark and they'll work just fine. You've got this streaming on there, which mainly enables you to create analytical and interactive applications for live streaming data. You've got the machine library on there as well, which is built right on top of it. Allows you to do a whole bunch of different algorithms within machine library. It has its own GraphX, the computation engine, and then the Spark core of the API itself. So Spark itself is built right on top. It was built with Scala, and you can actually run Scala, R, Python, Java, and SQL right inside of it. Any questions?
Ask him a question.
Oh. With Spark, as I mentioned, it is about 100 times in certain applications. It's 100 times faster than Hadoop MapReduce.
Just ask them a question.
Like so.
So my question itself, has anyone actually used R? Can you describe anything a little bit about it?
I used R to access and clean data from large data sets and model and stuff like that.
Hey guys, my name's Eric, and I'm going to be showing you how to download and get started with Spark. So first, you're going to go to spark.apache.org, head to the download section, select package type pre-built for Hadoop 2.4 later. You're going to download that. It's come in a tar file, so you're going to want to unpack the file. Now, if you're using Unix, Linux, or Mac, then you're going to have this tar command line tool. What you're going to do is you're going to cd to the directory where you downloaded it. You're going to enter tar space -xf for extract file, the file name, and then you're going to be able to go into that directory, see the files, and you'll see that it comes with a examples folder, help you get started, show you a few programs. If you're using a Windows machine, you might have to get a free tar extractor online. A good one would be WinZip or 7-Zip, so that's how to download it. Just a little bit about what it comes with. Spark comes with shells, much like operating system shells, like the Bash, Windows Command Prompt. The difference in the Spark shells is that it allows you to manipulate data that is distributed across many machines instead of just the local. So to open up a Spark shell, you're going to go to your Spark directory and type in bin/PySpark for the Python version. Notice there's a backslash if you have a Windows machine, and bin/spark-shell for the Scala version, just whatever one you're more comfortable with. In Spark, operations on distributed collections are expressed as RDDs, or resilient distributed data sets. Down here I have an example program, just a real beginner level, showing you an RDD, lines, created from a text file, just showing you a couple operations you can run on it. .count counts the number of items in the RDD, and .first will just print out the first line. So that's pretty much just the basics, and my question is, name a unique difference with from Spark Shell and the Windows command prompt.